AOPS Volume 1, the basics, number 68. X is directly proportional to y and inversely proportional to z. If x is equal to half and 1 y is equal to 3/4 and z is equal to 2/3, find x and y is equal to 7/8 and z is equal to 7/9. So understand what a direct proportionality is and what an inverse proportionality is. A direct proportionality is where the division of two numbers gives a constant, whereas inverse proportionalities gives the product of two numbers is equal to some certain constant. And a direct proportionality is in the example of ratios. 1/2 gives 0.5, which is the same thing as 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, and so on. They all give constants of 0.5, hence it shows us that 1 to 2 is a direct proportionality, as the numerator and denominator both change, whether that be increasing or decreasing. It always gives a constant of 0.5. And what about inverse proportionalities? Well, inverse proportionalities is best understood by areas of rectangles. So if I have an area of a rectangle to have a width of 2 and a length of 4, this area is equal to 8 by product of the length and width. But what if I change it? The width is 1 and the length is 8. This area is still 8. You see here that the length and width product of the area for a rectangle always remains a constant of 8, meaning that the length and width are inversely proportional to one another within a rectangle, which is true. So with this understanding, we can begin to solve this question. We're told that x is directly proportional to y, hence x over y must give a certain constant. But we're also told that x over y is also inversely proportional to z, meaning x over y times z is c. This is also the same thing as x over z, x times z over y, which is equal to c. So what can we do about this? We can find c because we're given a scenario when x is equal to half, y is equal to 3/4, and z is equal to 2/3. So half times z, 2/3, times y, which is 4/3. And this is the same thing as, if we cancel the 2 out, 4/9. 4/9. So the constant is 4/9. And how do we find for x? Well, we're given a scenario when y is equal to 7/8. And, oh, sorry, this is supposed to be z, 7/9 divided by 7/8 should give 4/9. Hence, 7/9x is the same thing as 4/9 times 7/8, which is the same thing as 7/18. Hence, x is equal to 7/18 times 9/7, which will give us half the solution to our question.